At St Benedict's Junior School, we're proud to provide an education that builds strong academic foundations whilst inspiring curiosity, creativity and a lifelong love of learning. Our small classes allow us to know every child as an individual, tailoring their learning journey so that each one is both challenging and supportive. Alongside core subjects, our broad curriculum is enriched by specialist teaching in music, art, sports, languages, science and computing, helping pupils to discover and develop their unique talents. Pastoral care is central to all that we do. In our nurturing community, every child feels known, valued and encouraged to grow in confidence. Through this secure and supportive environment, our pupils flourish both in the classroom and beyond. Life at St Benedict's Junior School is vibrant and varied. A wide choice of after-school clubs and co-curricular activities ensures that there is something for everyone, while our exciting programme of trips broadens horizons, builds independence and creates lasting memories. As part of a through school from nursery to sixth form, our junior school pupils enjoy a smooth transition into our senior school, without the need to sit the 11+ entrance examinations. This continuity allows them to move forward with confidence, supported by their teachers and peers that they already know. At St Benedict's Junior School, we aim to nurture bright, confident and well-rounded young people, grounded in strong values and ready to embrace the opportunities of the future.